Hey folks, Toad here with Visordown.com. You'll have to excuse my rather hoarse voice. I've been shouting all day, so you seem to have lost it. Just wanted to bring you a very quick video of the new 2020 Ninja 1000 SX from Kawasaki. So the Z1000 SX is no more, and it is now called the Ninja 1000 SX. Apart from the name change, what do we have? Well, we've got a fully revised styling package. So it's got a new front end, new side panels and new seat unit. Aside from the looks, the bike also now comes with cruise control as standard, and it has also got driving modes which work through the traction control and also engine power modes to enable users to sort of get the riding experience that they want from the bike for any particular given conditions. The engine is basically the same as before. It's revised to meet the latest Euro regulations. This bike also now features a 4-position adjustable screen, as you can see there. There is also the option to add an aftermarket larger screen on if you are going to be doing a bit more sort of touring. So as you can see, there's no touring appendages fitted to this bike here. As we turn around, here is the same bike, decked out with a slightly taller screen. So still adjustable, but that one is the aftermarket one, which is slightly taller. And it's also got the panniers fitted to it. Just to help make this sort of the better sports tourer out there, it's also got revised rider and pillion seats. So they're now wider and a little bit more supportive than the old Z1000 SX. This bike is going to be available in UK showrooms mid-February. So the tagline for this bike is sort of everything. It's the bike that Kawasaki are billing it as the bike that can give you everything. You can tour on it, you can scratch on it, you could probably take it on a track day and it'd still embarrass some people on elite sports bikes. Obviously it comes with a host of accessories that you can look to add. Not just the touring accessories, we've got sort of naughty sounding Akrapovic end cans, sat navs, all sorts of bobbins. Another new feature on this bike is the TFT dash, which is a sort of a proper one for this bike. It's not been borrowed off anything else. As you can see down there, very clear and easy to read. So yeah, that's Kawasaki's 2020 Ninja 1000 SX.